Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool that is accepted and used in almost every organization across the globe. Apart from the specific business softwares, Microsoft Excel or Microsoft packages is used to carry out almost every business activities. Without the skill and knowledge in Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Office packages, gaining an employment currently will be very difficult. Again, as a tutor, you will need Microsoft Excel to easily plan and analyze your test scores. Also, as a researcher or an academia, you will need Excel in analyzing your data. Furthermore, Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Office is a course offered in almost every tertiary institution across the globe. As a student, your progress to the next academic level greatly depends on your success in Microsoft Office exams. In addition, Microsoft Excel is used as a platform in answering online exams. Are you perturbed or worried about how to acquire skills in Microsoft Excel or Microsoft packages? Or you want to learn Excel from the basic level through to the intermediate to the advanced level? Worry not. Ronas Academy got you covered. Ronas Academy is a YouTube channel that will provide you with all tutorial on Microsoft Excel. The tutorial will be done on topic by topic to enhance easy understanding. So subscribe and let's learn together.